human beings.
Hello, human beings.
Hello, human beings!
So, bago namin naabot, gikan sa ang
Yeah.
event ganina.
Sa forum, no?
Sa forum.
Sa Lahog
about-
Social Hall. Oh.
About mental health awareness.
Yeah.
And we're so happy nga we are part of it. And as in, daghan kaming nakatunan.
And praise God nga nakita pod mi balik sa among mga friends sa BYC, no?
Yes.
Natay na meet pod mga new people. And yeah, amazing gid kayo ron nga adlaw kay learnings are always there man gud every day, pero lahi ni nga learnings kay nakaingon ko nga dapat tanang tawo makadungog ani. Kanang ina na gani sa
It's something that we should be aware of.
kana good. So guys, if bago ba mo sa among channel, welcome. And
Yeah,
if dugay na mo, welcome back. And yeah, don't forget to
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if bago lang mo diri.
yeah. So ingon ani ang nitabo guys. Sa among pag-adto, gisugat dayon mi sa hitabo nga dili normal. Matud sa among nadunggan, naay problema ang babae.
Gipasaka o gipalahos dayon mi sa third floor kay naa dito ang event. Sa tinuoray lang, wala gyud mi alamag kung unsa among giadto kay ang among tumong makipagkita ra gyud sa among mga higala si BYC.
Sa kaseryoso sa Gihisgutan, sa tinuoray lang, nakalimot gid mi og vlog kay nakatutok na gud mi sa nagstorya nga si Dr. de Los Santos. Usa siya ka psychologist ug ako dayon na relate ang nahitabo sa nagsugat na mo ganina sa social hall. Ati ali jud dati, wa gid mi naka-vlog honestly. So ikaw na lang storya na mo kung unsay mo nakatunan dire.
Oh. Unsa ni nag-live na ni? Guys, pwede ra Bisaya. Ang ako ra jung maingon guys, this is a must at kanang dapat siya kumatan ani like hindot kay siya paminawon guys. Superb, like this is a talk that kanang bitang need siya nga ipalaganap sa tibuok kalibutan.
Nya what if be? Ikaw ang kalibutan.
So wala magdugay, nangaon dayon mi. Ug ato usa patiwason si Ate Leon ni May sa iya nakatunan sa forum.
I'm very fortunate today nga naa ako diri karon nag-talk sila dito. I've learned a lot and this is something that I can really apply to myself and I can also share and spread what I've learned today, and that is something that I'm very excited and I'm so looking forward nga i-share ninyo guys. So like and follow.
Dugay nang buti ka like, pero karon i-follow ti ka. Kay niana mga kumamagod nga follow your dreams.
So guys, human beings, hello human beings. I have a friend here and his name is Franco and you better subscribe him. Well, human beings, kani si Franco kay usa na to ka amigo nga YouTuber nga ang content puros in English. Gisunggo na gud ko na minaw, mao nang ato ni siyang i-challenge karon ug atong paminawon kung fluent ba gid siyang magbinisaya. What did you learn from here in Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Yes, in Bisaya mismo. Yeah.
In Bisaya, Jude.
Yes, good. Alright, unsa imong nakatunan sa kaning forum, sa kaning mental health awareness nga talk?
Naka-learn ko na
Dai.
dapat ka na Jude ka mag-dili close.
Okay.
Open Jude.
Dapat open gid kuno ka.
Open Jude ka para dili ka maka-depress.
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
Ana anxiety. Para being open.
Dapat
being kanang
Bisaya.
ang open dili namin na happy ka Jude, pero i-accept ra nimo ang mga challenges in life.
Wow. Cute kaya to amigo, no? He's only 12 years old, but iyang knowledge, especially sa world of science, kay grabe ka broad ug daghan pud mong makatunan sa iyang channel. And you know what's cool about us, man? We both have cups, we're both wearing glasses, and we're both wearing black.
Yeah.
And it's a sign that you guys should subscribe his in our channel. Yeah, diba? Diba?
And energy and always think positive para di ma-stress, di matililing.
Yun.
Yes.
And sa Buwaka, it's all about the close opening and how to release your energy. Kanang to be this kanang mo decide ka kung kinsa or unsaon siya pag close open nga nga situation, especially sa mga tao nga angay ba i-open, angay ba i-close, like boundaries, like something like that. And I'm so grateful and honored to be part of this forum. Kaya daghan kay kog ma-learn, especially I am one of the advocates sa mental health kay based na experience, my friends, and mo to siya, I'm so honored and thankful. And thank you so much, Sir Robbie, for coming up, for being part in here.
Inviting us here.
And thank you so much, human being.
By the way, my takeaway, just don't hold grudge against other people. Just be open, process it, and let it go. If there's a negative thing, just let it go, positive, embrace it.
So human beings, wag yun naka-vlog, no? Ato lang, kanan si Doc. Ali, Doc. Ali. Tingkod naman. Honestly, Manggo, Doc, wag yun naka-vlog. It's because of the topic. It's really nice. So, naka-focus me. So, mga yun lang may gamayng advice sa mga subscribers, especially sa mga youth, kung sa mo ikasulti to be a positive person. Mora ginam, kuhan, ngayon.
Actually, if you want to become a positive person, it all begins with knowing who you are. Kaya dili man ta pwede, actually, without the beginning of everything is the person. And the ending is also the person. Meaning, we have this principle that I use, kanagingalan og, you are the problem, you are the solution. Actually, there is no other solution outside yourself. The problem begins with yourself, and it also is to be solved by yourself. So, ang proper guidance gina and starting point is the what you call knowing yourself. You have to have self-knowledge. You have to know who you are. You have to know your identity. And you start from there. Okay? Nataginganlan o knowing your self-inventory, knowing your weaknesses, ang imong health, sasana, no, kanang atong kanang strengths and weaknesses, beliefs nimo, what you believe in, ang imong mga kanang gingalan nato, mga morals, no, imong values, mo man na siya because these are the things that form you. So, you move or you conduct your life based on these things. Unang, you need to know who you are because that is the starting point, the self-inventory. Unang, anang gingalan na to, self-awareness is really the start. So what I can tell to the youth out there is kung pwede utang sila in a group, if they can come, we can conduct mo naging like self-awareness sessions for them. And that will really be a big help because then they will know who they are. Huwag na start.
Alright. So, guys, if ever na-adyo chance, God willing, dapat mo say yes kin mo. Be open as what Doc de Los Santos told us nga be open para di ka ma-close. Kay being close is really going you down and it tends you to become a negative person and you will become depressed without knowing lang. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching and keep in touch. Thank you, Doc.